this is a very important event which is taking place at an important time in the history of the ACP. And the future of the ACP in terms of where it goes after the expiration of the Cotonou Agreement in 2020 is it's a fundamental issue, and the flow-on consequences of that and what the ACP group will stand together moving forward is a legacy creation. So Papua New Guinea takes this as an honor and a privilege to welcome all the heads of government, heads of state from the ACP states when they come, so that we can then fashion a remedy, a solution, if you like, for all of us standing together to meet the challenges that face us individually as ACP member states, or as a group, or globally. The world is now looking at what are the relevant structures, the architectures to which certain issues can be addressed, and some of those things cannot be done alone, and the ACP is very important. The African experience is very important to us. The Pacific family is very important to us, and so is the experience of the Caribbean member states of the ACP. So it's the togetherness and sharing the experiences of this group together that will enable us to meet the challenges of our group moving forward.